We often hear the term cloud computing, but what does it actually mean? How does it impact our daily lives and the way businesses operate? Imagine a vast, interconnected network of powerful computers all working together seamlessly. This network, spanning the globe, stores and processes information at incredible speeds and volumes. This is the essence of the cloud, a digital universe holding our data, applications, and more. It's like having a supercomputer at your fingertips. It's not magic, though it might seem that way. The cloud is built on real, tangible technology. Instead, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to connect and share information. Engineers and developers work tirelessly to maintain and improve these systems. Access to this digital universe is readily available to anyone with an internet connection. We can access our files, software, and services from anywhere, whether we're at home, in the office, or on the go. This constant access is revolutionizing how we work, learn, and play. It enables remote work, online education, and global collaboration. The cloud is more than just a technological marvel. It's changing our world, making it more connected and efficient. Let's talk about cloud storage. Imagine a giant digital attic. This attic is where the cloud stores your photos, videos, documents, and more. Instead of cluttering your devices, these files reside securely in the cloud. Accessing them is easy. You can retrieve your files from any device anytime with a simple internet connection. Cloud storage offers more than just convenience. It provides a safety net. If your device fails, your data remains secure in the cloud. This resilience makes cloud storage a reliable backup solution for our increasingly digital lives. No more lost photos or corrupted files. Cloud computing is like a vast, invisible engine powering our digital world. It relies on data centers, massive warehouses filled with servers. These servers are the workhorses of the cloud, storing and processing information at incredible speeds. When you use a cloud-based service, you're tapping into this immense processing power, but it's not just about hardware. Sophisticated software manages and distributes tasks across the network. This software ensures that resources are used efficiently and that you have a seamless experience. From streaming your favorite shows to collaborating on work projects, cloud computing makes it all possible. Section 4. Connecting the world: cloud computing and social media. Think about how often you use social media. Every day, millions of people around the world log into their favorite platforms to share moments, catch up on news, and stay connected. Behind those posts, likes, and shares lies the cloud. This invisible infrastructure powers our digital interactions. Social media platforms rely heavily on cloud computing to function. Without it, the seamless experience we enjoy wouldn't be possible. They store vast amounts of user data, photos, and videos on cloud servers. This storage solution is both scalable and efficient. The cloud enables these platforms to handle millions of users interacting simultaneously. It ensures that your posts are seen by friends and followers in real time. Without cloud computing, social media as we know it wouldn't exist. The infrastructure is crucial for the speed and reliability we take for granted. The cloud's ability to scale and handle massive traffic makes it the backbone of our interconnected social world. It adapts to growing demands effortlessly. It allows us to share experiences, connect with loved ones, and engage in global conversations. The cloud makes our digital social lives possible, bringing us closer together. Section 5. The engine of modern business: cloud computing's impact. Cloud computing is transforming how businesses operate, from small startups to multinational corporations. It has become an essential part of the modern business landscape, enabling companies to streamline their operations and focus on their core competencies. It offers cost savings, flexibility, and increased efficiency. By leveraging cloud services, businesses can reduce their operational costs significantly while maintaining high levels of productivity. Businesses no longer need to invest heavily in expensive hardware and IT infrastructure. The shift to cloud computing allows them to allocate resources more effectively and focus on innovation. Instead, they can access computing power and software on demand, paying only for what they use. This pay-as-you-go model is particularly beneficial for startups and small businesses with limited budgets. This flexibility allows businesses to adapt quickly to changing market demands. They can scale their operations up or down as needed, ensuring they remain competitive and responsive. Cloud-based collaboration tools enable teams to work together seamlessly, regardless of location. This has revolutionized the way we work, making remote and international collaboration more efficient than ever before. Cloud computing empowers businesses to innovate, grow, and compete in today's fast-paced global economy. It provides the technological foundation for new business models and opportunities. It's the engine driving us toward a more efficient and interconnected future. As cloud technology continues to evolve, its impact on the business world will only grow, shaping the future of commerce and industry.